Good morning, dear students. Today we can start today's class. So, in the last class, what we learned about parts of plants, right? In the last class, we learned about the parts of plant. So, let me ask you, how many parts are there for a plant? How many? Prajwal, how many parts are there for a plant? Prajwal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How many parts? How many parts are there for a plant?
For
Is it correct? Is that correct? What I told yesterday?
ma'am,
Yes.
yesterday was a happy hours.
Yesterday it was happy hour. Okay, okay. So, yeah, okay. We can start the parts of plants. Okay, parts of plants. There are five parts of plant. There are 5 parts of a plant. Who can say it? Which all are the 5 parts of the plant? Which all are the 5 parts of a plant? So, let me take you 5 parts, main parts of a plant. They are, yes, Gauri Nandana, can you tell me any one part, name of any one part of a plant? Gauri Nandana.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, who can Varada? Yes, Varada.
Root.
Root. No need to read the textbook. Okay, close your textbook, just listen. So roots are there. Yes. Juvan, please remove that the background, virtual background. I can't see your face. Okay, roots. Where we can see these roots? Where we can see these roots? Anvia, Anvia, Anvia. All others, listen. Under the ground, under the ground. We can see the, Adina, please mute your audio. We can see the roots under the ground. And just above the root, those who know the answer, they can raise your hand. Okay, don't scream your answers. So above the ground, above the root, we can see, what is the name of that part, Juvan? Juvan, what is the name of that part? Stem. Okay, above the ground, above the root, we can see stem. So first we can see root, just above that we can see stem. And above that, on the stem, what all things we can see on the stem? Raise your hand. Don't. Okay. Ameya, what all we can see on the stem?
Flower and
Flowers. Flowers and fast?
leaves.
Leaves, flowers. This much only? Leaves and flowers only?
Ma'am, but
Then
Ma'am,
Prajwal.
ma'am.
Yes, leaves, flowers, then any other thing?
Yes.
Yes, what is that?
Buds.
Buds means buds will turn into flower. Is there any other thing? Fruits. Okay, fruits.
Vegetables.
So, vegetables are all the fruits of that plant. So, let me share this screen. 5 parts, we are talking about the 5 main parts of a plant. First one, it is roots. This is under the ground. This part we can see under the ground. Second one, above the ground, we can see the stem. Okay, and on the stem, we can see the leaves and also flowers and some plants that produce fruits, we can see it on their stem. So fifth part, it is fruits. Okay, these all are the 5 parts of a plant. I hope you all can see this, right? Can you see this? Can you see the
Yes,
board?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Not through the teachers, not through the teacher's camera. Can you see by sharing it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So these are
Yes,
the
ma'am.
5 parts of a plant. Okay. Henry, which all are the 5 parts of a plant? Fast. Henry, unmute
Yes.
your audio.
Root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit.
Okay, fruit. The next one more student I will call Isa. Which all are the 5? Why I am insisting on that 5? Because whenever I ask how many parts are there for a plant, you should answer it correctly. 5. Okay, 5. Okay, Isa, read the names of those 5 parts of plants.
Root,
Read it.
root, stem,
Yes.
leaves, flowers, fruits.
Fruits. Okay. In this, we can see roots on the below the ground. Okay. This is the part of the plant which we can see it. This is the part of the plant which we can see it below the ground. Below the ground, root. And above the ground, we can see stem. Not only the stem bear leaves, flowers and fruits also. Stem bear leaves, flowers and fruits. So these all are above the ground. So here we are. 5 main parts are there for a plant. Root, which is below the ground, and stem, leaves, fruits and flowers, we can see it above the ground. Okay. So shall I ask this question? Okay. Abel, how many parts are there for a plant?
5.
5 parts are there for it. Okay. Jaswin, which is the part of the plant which we can see below the ground?
Root.
Roots. Okay. And can you, Dia, can you name a part of plant which we can see above the ground? Dia, above, any one you can see.
Leaves.
Leaves. Okay. Then Juan, another one. Above the ground, which we can see it above the ground. I can't hear you. Just say it loud. Flowers. Okay. I hope you said it about flowers. Okay. Then Anvia. Yes, Anvia. Stem. Okay. Your audio is not working properly. Stem. So stem, leaves and flowers. And one more is there, right? Adidev, what is that one? Above the ground. Yes, it is unmuted. Yes, say it loud. Oh, not hearing. It's not. Okay, I will come back to you after that. Yes, Dia. Dia is ready to say the answer. Yes, Dia.
But
Fruits, right? Fruits also are there, right? So stem is there.
ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes. Now okay. So stem is there. Stem bear leaves, fruits, flowers, and yes, leaves also are there. Okay. So these are the 5 parts of a plant. In this chapter, you will learn about roots and flowers in detail. Okay, in this lesson, roots and flowers, you will learn about roots and flowers in detail. Okay, so let me show you something. Okay, all of you sit quietly. Let me show you something. Okay, I am going to pin my video. Yes. See, today I brought some plants for you. Can you see it? Yes. Different types of plants I brought it today. Okay. This one is that. This is a type of grass. I hope you can see it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes,
here
ma'am.
you can see parts. This is the root. This is the stem of the grass. And here you can see the flower of this grass. This grass is not a will not produce any fruits. That is why that part is not visible. So this is a grass plant, and here it is. You can see a spinach plant. These all are common. You can also see it at your home.
Yes,
Here
ma'am.
you can, yeah, here also you can see this root. Can you see the root here?
Yes.
Yes, root is there, and a stem. This is the stem, and these are the leaves. Here also, I took only one part of it. So the flowers and the spinach is not producing any fruits. So flowers and fruits are missing in this leaf, in this plant. Okay. So here, when I show you this one, this chapter is all about roots and flowers. So first we can learn about roots. I am showing roots of two plants. Can you see it? Roots
Yes.
of
Yes.
plant.
Yes.
One is spinach. This one is spinach. And this one is another type of plant. Can you see the roots of this plant?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is it
Yes.
look same?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it look
No.
same?
No. No.
Yeah, it is
Spinach
different,
is
right?
nothing.
It is different. This spinach plant's root is different, and this plant's also it is different.
Different.
But let me show you. This is a grass, right?
Yes.
And this is another plant. Is there any similarity or difference in these roots?
Yes.
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 Yes. This is this root and the plant root of this plant is also looks same. And what about this plant and this spinach?
Very light.
They also, it is also same,
Similar.
similar. Okay. Now you understood.
Yes.
What is a root, and some difference is there between the roots of different plants. So let me remove the spotlight. Okay. I hope you understood
Excuse
two
me, ma'am.
types of, yes. 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 Any
Ma'am,
doubt regarding this?
No.
So
No.
shall I move? Able?
Varada.
Okay, Varada, what is your doubt?
Not doubt. For the money plants we have out also.
Yeah. That is one special type of root. Okay, and also you can see old banyan roots, banyan tree. You can see some roots are coming out from the hanging from the branches, right? Near
In the
to a
temple.
temple and all some. If you see a old, 1 minute, one old banyan tree, you can see some roots are hanging from the branches also. They all are special type of. About these all type of root you will learn in higher class. Okay. In the smaller class, in the fourth standard, you are going to learn about two different types of main two types of roots. Yes, Adidev, what is your doubt?
In some trees, there will be roots coming out from the sand and going again into the sand.
Coming
Like the,
from the sand and again going to the sand.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It will be like a slope in the top of.
Oh, okay. That is creepers. Okay. That type of plants also are there. Okay.
Ma'am.
Leia, switch on
Money
your
plant.
video. Yes. So shall I move to the different types of roots?
Ma'am. Varada.
Okay, Varada. Okay. You went to your garden for taking it. Okay. So I am showing it. Okay. You can listen the class. Let me take it. Another thing. So again, I want to spot my video. Okay. So here from the root of this plant, spinach plant. Okay, I hope you can see it, right?
Yes.
Yes, clearly you can see. You can see the stem. Below the stem, listen, below the stem, you can see a
Root.
thick root. It is the thick and main root. From the thick and main root, branches are coming out from it. Okay,
Yes.
see the difference? See the difference? This type of plant have a main. This is the main root, which is very thick. From the video itself, you can see it. And some branches are coming from this main thick root. Understood? This type of roots are called tap root. Tap root. T-A-P. Tap. Okay. This type of roots are called tap root. Okay. Let me show another one. Here also. See, here also you can see a main root here. And from the main root, branches are coming out.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Not see it.
Not see. So now can you see it?
Yes.
See, don't worry. I will show the picture also. Okay, I will show the picture also. Who is calling? Who is
Adidev.
calling? Yes, Adidev, what you want?
Ma'am, I have seen the formation of the plants from the thicker root to the branches and
Okay, okay, good. Okay, we will come to that point. Let me explain it. Okay, so this is also main root is there, which is thick and branches are coming out of it. See, if I show you this plant, is this root is like this? Do this
No.
plant have any?
No, ma'am. No.
No.
This plant have any main root?
No.
No main
No.
root, no thick root. All the roots coming from the base of the plant. All the roots are coming from the base of the plant. They are very thin. They are very thin. Not only that, all roots have equal in size. All the roots have equal size, thin and branched. Okay, this type of root is called fibrous root.
Fibrous root.
This type of root
Fibrous
is
root.
called
Fibrous
fibrous
root.
root. So I will show this. This is also a grass root. See, same type of equal sized roots. No main root. All roots have similar size and they all are very thin. This is also a fibrous root. Okay, so let me show you the slide also. So how many type of roots are there?
Two.
Two type of roots. Okay, two types of roots. So let me share the
Fibrous
screen.
and tap.
Okay, I will ask it. Now I am going to share the screen. Everybody mute your audio. Everyone. Yes. This is lesson 8, roots and flowers. See, this is the picture of the two types of roots which I showed you. You saw the same type of roots. I showed it using the plants, right? So here you can see in the tap root. Tap root means it is having a main root and that is also very thick. I will draw it. Okay. See, this is the main. See, here it is the main root from which branches are coming out it. See, this is branch. This is another branch. These all are branches. Small branches are coming out from the main thick root. Okay. Plants having main thick root from which branches coming out. They are called, that type of roots are called tap root. Okay. That type of roots are called tap root. Let me take it. One small. Okay, taproot. I hope you understood it, right? And in the next one, fibrous root. See the picture? See, all the roots are of same size, very thin. This type of roots are called fibrous root. Let me go to the another picture. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, somebody's audio. Varada, please mute your audio. Somebody's audio is distracting the class. Okay, so let me share it. This is the picture of the plant. A picture of the root of a plant, which I showed you there in the class itself. So here you can see a main, in the first picture, you can see a main root. This, let me draw it, let me mark it, main root. Can you see the marking?
No.
Okay,
No.
now it will, yeah, yes.
Yes.
So
yes.
it will come slowly. Okay. So, and the branches are coming out of it. So these all are the branches. When you draw the picture of a plant, you are also drawing in the same way, right? By using one main root from branches coming out of it. Likewise, you are used to draw. So you are drawing the taproot there. Okay, maybe you don't know about taproot and fibrous root, but you are drawing their taproot. Let me take it again. Okay, here it is the taproot. Taproot. And here we can see, next picture also we can see the fibrous root. All the roots are very thin, equal size. All the roots have equal size. See, when we draw it over it, all it have equals. No branch, no main thick root. Okay, these type of roots are called fibrous. Fibrous roots. Okay, so these two are the two different types of roots. Now, let me ask you. See, I showed one fibrous root, right?
Yes.
Fibrous root.
Yes.
Okay. Let Abel. Yes. Can you say the name of a plant which have this type of root, fibrous root, fibrous grass? Okay, all type of grass plants have fibrous roots, this type of root. Not only this one, rice plant, wheat plant, these all have sugar cane. And also, if you see that coconut tree, you can see the fibrous roots there.
Ma'am, at my house there is a coconut tree.
Ah.
Then its root come out. It's gone.
Yeah, when we take the, if we cut the roots, if we cut the coconut tree, and if we have to take the roots from it, we can see how the fibrous root is formed there, right? But they are not thin like grass plant roots. Okay,
They are
coconut is
very thick.
somewhat thick, but not like the taproot.
Yes.
So example for plants having fibrous roots, they are grass. Then rice plant, wheat plant, coconut tree, sugar cane. This much, not only this much, so many plants are there. Okay, just remember these few words. Coconut tree, sugar cane, rice plant, and wheat plant, and grass also. I hope after this class you can go to your garden and you can see it. But don't pluck the plant which your parents have planted. Just take the grass what it is grown on the ground. Okay, that's only. And another one, let me say you about the taproot. Example for taproot. Okay, just those who know the answer, just raise the hand. Who know example for taproot? Who can give example for taproot? Plants having taproot. Juvan?
Ma'am.
Yes, Arfan?
Ma'am.
Arfan, example for taproot. You can't unmute? Okay, Leia is asking. Leia?
Spinach.
Spinach. Okay, plants like spinach, not really spinach. Any other one?
Carrot. Ma'am.
Carrot. Carrot is also. Then, say in your courtyard, you can see many plants. Mango sapling, jackfruit sapling.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes,
pumpkin.
Varada.
Pumpkin.
Uh,
Pumpkin.
Adi, it is not clear.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin plants have to, yeah, that is also. Okay, main
Ma'am.
root is there.
Ma'am, mango.
Mango tree, jackfruit tree, main trees that all growing
I have
high
plant-
above the ground. High above the ground, these all have tap roots. So I hope it is clear. So there are two types of roots. Two types of roots are there. Isra, can you tell me the names of the two types of roots? Isra, can you hear me? Is there any problem?
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I say?
Yes, Isra. Yes. Yes. Two types of roots. Which are they?
Tap
Say
roots
the
and-
names of that.
Ma'am, tap roots and
Tap root and
fibrous root.
okay, fibrous root. So roots, they are tap root. Take your rough book and write the new word of today's. That is tap root. Write and study it, okay? Tap root and fibrous. Fibrous. You should note down the spelling of tap root and fibrous root. Write down. And here also I am writing the example for tap root. Plants having tap root. Mango tree. Mango tree. Then jackfruit tree. I will write two examples here. Okay. Then fibrous root. Adidev, give example for fibrous root. Fibrous root.
Grass.
Grass. Okay, grass. Then rice plant. Then wheat plant. Anything you can write. So I will write
Money
it.
plant.
Money plant. Rice plant. Okay. I hope you can see this bond, right? Okay, so now it is the time to wind up today's session.
Thank you,
Today's
ma'am.
new words you have to write and study it. Okay, which are the new
Yes.
words of today?
Tap root.
Taproot and
Fruit
fibrous
and
root.
an example also. Okay,
Okay.
don't forget
Yes.
it. So shall I
Okay,
end
ma'am.
today's class?
Yes.
Don't
Thank
don't
you,
forget
ma'am.
to don't forget to check the
Thank you.
roots of your
You, ma'am.
some small plants which are growing on your ground. Just check it. Okay, in the don't pluck
Thank
the
you, ma'am.
plant which your parents have planted it. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.